Hey guys, so starting off with a new sketchbook. The sketchbook is from Doms or Doms. I don't know what you call it, anyways. And so this is a mandala art, and I'm really bad with concentrations, and mandalas help me increase that. These patterns, I guess these are rare, self praise. anyways, I really like how these patterns turned out to be. In case you wish to follow me on Instagram, I'd leave the handle link in the description box. And do you love this pastel shade of red? In case you love it and you want me to share it, do leave a comment. So I made two half mandalas, as you can already see, but I wasn't quite satisfied with the look of the two half mandalas. So I decided to make some strips, and obviously I'll reveal how it looked. Keep on watching the video. The situation outside is so depressing that everybody's mental health is, I don't know how everybody's mental health is, and I wasn't really feeling good, and mandalas made me feel better. By the way, this is my first ever video on YouTube, and I hope I'm not ruining it. And here's the final look. Follow for more, and hope you have a great day ahead. I don't know. Anyways, hope you stay well. Take love. Do subscribe, like, comment. Anyways, bye bye.